about this Mega Mall part? I don't know. Just look at the title. What the heck? I'm gonna chase this thing. What are you doing? Come back here. Oh, what's that? So cool. Hey, yo, look at the Lamborghini. What are you doing? Yeah, 2 Shih Tzus and one guy over there looking at them. How's it going, bio research? Hello, little laughing pincher. And there's a poor little Frenchie and a dachshund. Hello, buddy. How's it going? Okay. Starts to smell bad as usual. What has been barking? Look at the fish. Oh, look at you. You're so cute. Oh, look at the fish. Oh, hello, Mr. Loving Bird. Hello. What is happening here? Oh, hello. Hello, guys. Oh, you're whistling. Whistle again. Aw, he's whistling. Hello. 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 And there's a Pokemon boy here. Aw, you're so sweet. Oh, you're so adorable. Oh, hello. Oh, you're speaking. Look at the small fish. Whoa, look at these guys. Whoa, look at those. They're so cute. There's a parrot. Okay, the parrot has a long tail. Hello, buddy. Oh my god. Okay, okay. Okay, bro's trying. Okay, how about trying to say hello? Hello. Are you even a parrot? I have no clue, but you're so cute. Okay. Oh, nice voice. Oh. Oh, I love the way you speak. There's even this guy here asleep. Oh my god, there's a skeleton. And oh my god, he moves. Skeleton moves. And look at the fish. Yo. Now these guys are the most annoying and most disturbing. Disgusting. Look, there's turtles. Oh, look at that one. And there's also one sleeping in the ground. Oh, look, the turtle. Oh, turtle. My cat close up. Turtle. Okay. No one's on here. Stop doing that. Look, there's. What are these in here? They're heapon. Look at those ones. Oh my god, one's speeding. Oh, look at him. One there is speeding. Oh my god. Black goldfishes. Okay. What's in here? What the heck? And there's small here. Whoa! Look at them. Oh yes. And the turtle. Hello, buddy. There's one there struggling to swim. There's one there just looking at people. Okay. Turtle. Well, they're eating. You're the most best buddy. Hello. Hello, buddy. I'll do it again.
Bird, wow!
Oh my god. Hello. Stop.
Hello, bird. Hello, fish.
Oh, where are you? This was just asleep, but goodbye. I'll name you Wilson. Goodbye, Wilson. See you again. There's a dog.
Ano pa name?
It's an American bully. Hello. Oh my god. That's the end.